Speedbird ups, Speedbird 865.
865, Speedbird.
Yeah, sorry, I know you're busy. Do you have some alternates for us to choose from?
We do. We have Manston, Bournemouth or Southampton as alternates.
Okay, we'll look at those. Speedbird 865. I will let you know.
Swiss 45 Tango descent.
865, did you copy?
Q&A.
865, Manston, Bournemouth or Southampton. We'll look at those and let you know.
Speedbird 865, Speedbird control, did you copy?
A firm, Speedbird 865, how'd you read?
27.
Reading you strength 4, go ahead.
Yeah, we'll look at those three alternates and we'll let you know shortly.
Speedbird 865, that's all copied.
Thank you.
Alpha Control, Speedbird 94.
94, Speedbird.
Speedbird 94, diverting Cardiff.
4 all copied, we'll let Cardiff know, many thanks.
Okay.
And ops high, Speedbird 1491. Ops, Speedbird 1491.
491, Speedbird.
Hello, same question from us really.
Manston, Bournemouth, Southampton, if you let us know which one.
Sorry, what was the first one?
Manston, Bournemouth, Southampton.
Roger, okay, we'll have a look at those. We could go to Birmingham, or is that not an option?
Sorry, what was your flight number again?
It's the 1491 down from Glasgow. We could go to Birmingham if that would be easier for you.
Negative, keep heading south to us, please. One of those three alternates would be great.
Roger, Manston, Bournemouth or Southampton, copy.
100.
I think you could probably do a return to stands. Reason being, we've got quite a few aircraft that have diverged, so they're not on the stands that they were going to. A firm, so I think that's probably the best option. Thank you.
H31, this is Ops Control. H31, this is Ops Control. H31, standby.
Kia Swiss 45 Tango, range 7 miles, contact City Tower 118.075.
Middle, Mike.
Speedbird 831 from Ops Control.
02, descend now to altitude 3,000 feet.
831, if you would like to listen out on frequency, I think you will be okay to land at Heathrow. Heathrow.
And Heathrow operations or Speedbird operations, Speedbird 865.
Row 7 hectopascals, Heathrow out.